Here are our 6 astronauts. Space Center responsible for crew pre-launch.
We try to get them to work with the crew the entire time. So some of these guys have been working with for more than a year.
Now, meanwhile, what's been going on inside the crew module?
Inside the crew module, Joe's in there right now, and what Joe's doing as the astronaut support person is he's making sure that all the covers are in place. And Joe's job at this point is essentially to help Drew. Drew, is the suit insertion tech, is responsible for getting Charlie all strapped in and all set up correctly. And Joe essentially...
Here now getting ready to board Atlantis.
Okay, we've got a couple of them lined up. Closer to the hatch there is Mike Foreman, and he's going to be the first guy onto the mid-deck. We kind of do a flight deck, mid-deck, flight deck, mid-deck as we go through. So you can see those 2 lines that are coming in. They're actually from the cooler on board, and then he's going to pick up from his suit right there. Travis, who's number 4 today, has been number 1 many, many times. Renee's been a number 4 or 5 a bunch of times. Same thing with Don. He's filled the 4 and 5 slots before. So these guys are pretty interchangeable with what they do. Every crew member is a little bit different in there. There's a lot of choices they have for comfort gear, for the pads that they can blow up, for the liquid cooling garments we talked about. The flight data file, you can see he's putting a checklist on his right thigh there. You know, how many flashlights do they want, how many pens and pencils, where do they want them. There's a lot of individual things you can do for each crew member, which really help that crew member out. We try to do all those little things. Go. We do get another set of comm checks then much closer to launch, well after the hatch is closed, just to make sure everything's still good.
He became an astronaut in 1996, and in Houston at the Johnson Space Center